Good job.
Legs.
Uh-huh.
Small legs. Now take a picture.
Okay, take a picture. What about the rest of me? Where's my hair, my nose, my eyes?
Your eyes are right there.
Oh, yeah, you're right. But where's my hair and my nose?
Your hair is right like this.
Okay. Now, where's my nose?
Right here.
And my mouth?
Right here.
Good job. What about arms? Where do arms go?
And there.
Ah, I love it. It's perfect.
Is it perfect?
It's perfect.